What, if any, lessons can we draw about how to best manage the next public health crisis in a pluralist democracy? The questions posed by the book, even if uncomfortable, even if disquieting, provocative, are questions that we must be willing to ask of ourselves. Research universities are among the places where these conversations must take place.
In reading in COVID's wake, it was very difficult for me. There's a lot in the book I disagreed with. And it's precisely the fact that the book made me uncomfortable, that I had profound disagreements with some of the arguments, that highlights the critical importance of the discussions we will have today.
AI and AI scholars come into for a little criticism in the book. And it's good. It's healthy. It makes us stronger. We welcome it.
In 2020, we did face a crisis, and we entered that crisis polarized, distrustful, highly divided along various lines. And we exited that pandemic even more divided, even more polarized, even more distrustful.
A wartime mentality took hold. We didn't get a surfacing of the necessary questions, the due diligence that policymakers needed to do before making highly consequential decisions.
We need to question our assumptions. We need a team B. We need devil's advocates. We need to open the conversation to a much wider range of experts.
I am frankly befuddled by the notion that there should have been more debate, there should have been more opposite opinions put forward. Somebody had to decide.
I think we had an incredible process because we didn't know anything and we were trying to learn every single day. And our job was to take in that information and know it could change tomorrow.
Organized interests truly leave large gaps in society who actually don't have a voice.
We need people who represent different sectors and have different kinds of expertise and to some degree represent different interests, but also bring different contexts to the table.
We can have disagreements on the problems, but agreements on the solutions. And that will not happen unless we actually figure out how to engage these folks who are left out of our political discourse.
There's the trade-off between speed and deliberation. Deliberation is inherently slow.
Whether we agree that things went right, went wrong, I think we all are here because we recognize our imperative is to do what's right, not to be right. I was very struck by the civility, the willingness to listen to different viewpoints. It's not that hard. And I hope that we can continue to do this.